In front of me is TCL 20L, and let me show you how to manage text-to-speech feature. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Languages and Input. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you will notice text-to-speech output, just mark it, and here you can set it up. So at first you can pick the language, and here you can change speech rate and also pitch. Then press play to listen to current setup. Wakey wakey. Okay, so I will check it up with default one at first. Okay, so device is muted, that's why, sorry for that.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So that's the default setup, and now we can change the language, also pitch and speech rate. And here it is. Obviously you can pick whichever language you only want to apply. Change it whenever you want to.
Detta är ett exempel på talsyntes på svenska.
And obviously you can reset speech rate and pitch by tapping on reset, and this is default setup.
Detta är ett exempel på talsyntes på svenska.
And about the language, you can change it whenever you want to. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.